Vamos a repasar. Let's review. So here are all of our endings. Yo ends in O, such as hablo, camino, limpio, with all of the verbs you've learned. Estudio. Tu ends in AS, such as hablas, caminas, limpias, and all the verbs you've learned so far. Nadas, estudias, miras. Él, ella, and usted end in A. Habla, camina, limpia, estudia, mira, cena, desayuna. Nosotros, the endings are AMOS, with the verbs you've learned so far. Hablamos, caminamos, limpiamos. Vosotros end in AIS. Habláis, camináis, limpiáis, estudiáis, nadáis, miráis, desayunáis, cenáis. Ellos, ellas, and ustedes ends in AN. Hablan, caminan, limpian, desayunan, toman, all the verbs we've learned so far. And just as you understand the verbs, that these are all verbs that end in AR, soon we're going to see verbs that end in ER and IR. But so far, these are all the endings of the verbs.